Okay, All City Auctioneers here with another vehicle for our April the 10th, 2024 online auction. This video probably looks a little different. This is my attempt number 2 because I was 3/4 of the way through recording the video for this vehicle and my GoPro battery died. So I am going to my phone. So this might be a little difficult to open things and whatnot, but it is a 2001 Volkswagen Jetta. It's a private vehicle or a state vehicle that's come in for our auction sale. We've got government surplus and estate items in this auction sale. So it's lot number T1014 and it's a 2001. I've got the trunk open because that happened to be where I was. I was just about to finish the video. So I'm going to start at the trunk. Trunk opens. Look at that. Got a few parts inside. Battery cover belongs inside. These other 2 parts, I don't think they belong to this car. 3 parts? I don't know. Yeah, there's 3 parts there. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. I don't really see them missing. You can see when I go inside and show you the engine. Now I'm going to go to the passenger door, rear. Interior on this one here, it's quite dirty. It's got lots of dog hair or pet hair or fluff. Not really sure. Back seat's got a little stain here. There's some fluff and a bigger stain right there in the center. Seats fold forward, you know, but there's even dog hair and stuff like that up on the headrests there. You can see kind of like that. It's everywhere and all over this. That's that white stuff there. Anyways, this one come in by tow truck, of course, because it's private vehicle and state vehicle, sorry. And so we don't know a lot about them. We don't get a lot of information from the family or the estate manager. But we do drive them around our yard. It seems to go forward and backward, start and stop and do all those fancy things. So, but we don't test everything, of course, and it is a used vehicle, so expect repairs. Again, lots of dirt and whatnot on the floor here. Seats covered in hair. I'm just going to go through and wander around. Outside of the vehicle is actually not in that bad a shape. You know, there's some paint peeling on the front right about there. And lots of little marks on the hood there. It's maybe hard to see, but there's lots of little paint scratches and whatnot all over the hood there. No, can't really see it. But they're there. There's probably about 100 of them. More paint peeling off of the mirror there. It looks like a gel coat is having some issues. So, yeah, I'll go through. I'll close the trunk. It was great. The car is actually loaded with quite a few options. So there you go, VW Jetta. Yeah, I'll open this door now and show you that. So it needs a good clean. It needs still there's that big stain there, right there. So it does definitely need a big clean. Like I said, lots of options, more than, we're selling government vehicles normally. So power windows, power locks, power mirrors. There's things, like cruise control. Let me close this. Stereo system. Looks like there's air conditioning. And again, we don't test any of that stuff there. 225,683 kilometers. I'll fire it up now. You can see all the warning lights will come on and go off. There you go. That airbag light went off. The seatbelt warning light went off. I got to put my foot on the brake to put it in gear. So, like I said, starts and runs. Seems to do pretty decent. There's a mirror here. Kind of doesn't match the interior. I guess maybe it does. I don't know, but it's obviously missing. Stereo system there. Now I'll pop out and pop the hood and let you listen to the motor. So selling again, highest bid wins. This vehicle is selling on April the... I don't know if I can do this one-handed. Oh, look at that, I did it. Selling on April the 10th, 2024. It's part of the auction. All that stuff back there that you see is also included in the auction sale there. That trailer, those 2 Kubotas, a couple of loaders, and there's other trucks outside and out front. Looks like it's been sitting for a while. Back to this car. Bunch of tree or pine needles there in the underneath the engine there, but I'll let you listen to the motor. I'm going to shut up. So this sells on bcsurplus.com. We are all city auctioneers. We're located in Langley, British Columbia. Highest bid wins. Hope you get another bye-bye auction.